Hey guys, welcome back to the series on Google Bard. So the new uh, feature I'm demoing is one from Google Sheets, which is Add to Sheets. So for those who like coordinating with friends, family, or travel events, so Add to Sheets make it easier to search results to a collaborative sheet. So the idea is you type for any search group in your Google uh, search results, and if you right click on any of your search results, you see this icon, and if you click on it, it shows all the available your spreadsheets in Google Sheets, and if you click add, this gets added and you can go back and revisit it. So let's look at the demo of this feature. So I have a sheet called add to sheets. This is an empty. If you want, you can go ahead and create a new spreadsheet and call it whatever you want. So I have a sheet that's already enabled. Here I have a search results for generative AI startups, and the window I have set here in tools is 24 hours. So if you actually like this article here, or if I liked any article, let's assume I'm creating a weekly newsletter and I want to actually look at uh, collect this article so that I can make a newsletter at the end of the week. So I can go, I have add to sheets. If I click done, and if I go back here, so you actually see that hyperlink got added here. So similarly, let's try a couple of another one here. So let's look at this one. So this looks like a good one. So I've added this here. And if I see that my second link got added here, and so why are companies creating specialized generative AI for risk assessment? Okay, so whatever you are interested in, you can go ahead and do that. This works on any search results or any article you find interesting. I can add it. So this can be when you search Google for a specific travel site or a list of competitor websites you are looking to add. You don't have to copy paste stuff now. So it's basically just one click would add data to your search results, and you can revisit it later. So that's all I wanted to cover. I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.